Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan cookies. We'll explore simple ingredient swaps that transform traditional recipes into plant-based delights. You'll learn how to achieve the perfect texture and flavor without using any animal products. Get ready to bake some amazing treats that everyone can enjoy, whether they are vegan or not. It's easier than you might think to create these wonderful desserts. Let's dive into the essential ingredient swaps. For eggs, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water is a fantastic binder. When it comes to butter, simply use an equal amount of vegan butter sticks or refined coconut oil. For any liquid plant-based milks such as almond, soy, or oat milk are excellent choices. These simple changes ensure your cookies are completely plant-based and delicious. Achieving perfect vegan cookies involves a few key techniques. First, always chill your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading during baking. Second, line your baking sheets with parchment paper for easy cleanup and consistent results. Finally, be careful not to overmix your dough, as this can lead to tough cookies. Gentle mixing ensures a tender, delightful texture. Now that your delicious vegan cookies are baked, let's talk about enjoying them. Store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain freshness. For future cravings, you can freeze unbaked cookie dough balls for up to 3 months. Feel free to experiment with different flavors, adding extracts, spices, or various types of vegan chocolate. Enjoy your wonderful homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.